I'm so excited, you guys. I finally got some of the Olive Rose new skincare-based makeup. It's called No Makeup because it's literally skincare. We have some new pretty Olive Rose paper. The packaging is always beautiful. But I got a handful of things here. I have some more things on the way. Most excited about the new skin tints. Most of the shades up to like shade 7, 8 are similar as the original formula, but the consistency is going to be different. I haven't opened these yet. One of the reasons that they reformulated this is because originally it was like this, and you can see if it sits for a while, it separates a lot. So we always had to make sure that we shook this really well to get the serum and that little bit of tint in there to mix. This is the original number 5. This is going to be the new number 5. I love these nice solid glass bottles that they're still using. So this one's going to be a little bit creamier. This is going to be more of a cream. Still, they're both hydroxytyrosol-based, which is antioxidant. It's super calming to the skin. All right, here's the original number 5. See how it's definitely a little bit more serum-like liquidy. But as you can see, the shade is super similar. Use the new one so you can see. It's very creamy. It's very light. And from what I've heard, we'll see as you put it on, it looks a little bit more shiny at first, but then it kind of sets. You can apply it with your fingers, you can apply it with a sponge or a brush, whatever you're comfortable with. But we're just gonna put that on half. The colors are gonna be super forgiving because it's pretty sheer. So if you're hesitating, if you're like, you know what, I was a shade 4, should I get a shade 3 or a shade 5? Look at the descriptions online too, because it'll tell you whether it has a warm undertone, a neutral undertone, or a rosy undertone. I tend to be a little bit more neutral, so I like to stick with that. As it's sitting here, yeah, I can definitely tell that the shine has kind of neutralized. It's matted down a little bit. It doesn't feel like there's anything on, but it's literally skincare. So it feels like skincare. It feels very hydrating and it feels great. I have a couple of the blush shades. You can use these on your lips, your cheeks, your eyes. I am waiting patiently for the concealer and the contour, so that'll be coming soon. This is going to be a warmer shade, and this is a little bit cooler shade. I think just because I'm wearing kind of olive, we're going to try this one first. I haven't felt these on my face before, but it's like silk. Very nice. Super easy to blend. You can do it with your fingers really easily. Kind of surprised. If you want to use a brush, you totally can. If you want to take it right off of here and apply it like this. Wow, that's really nice. It's very easily blendable. But I want to see what it looks like just on my bare lip. I love the dispenser, how it's a little clear like that, so you can kind of see what you're squirting up. Ooh, and it's got like a really nice curve that fits perfectly on your lips. Smells very light. Everything smells very light. There's not a lot of scent. And any fragrance that is in here is all natural essential oils. There's no artificial fragrance in any of our products. I'm loving how this has just kind of soaked in and settled in. If you want to create a little bit more coverage in areas, you can absolutely do that. You can just take a little bit more of the product and you can apply it with your finger or with a brush, and you can just kind of tap on. This is what I'm waiting for the concealer for. The concealers we have 14 shades of the skin tint. They did the same shades in the concealer, exactly the same 14 shades, but they have a little bit more coverage. They're going to be a little bit thicker consistency. So for me, I'm probably going to pick something in a similar shade for like right under my eyes, but then where I want to brighten in here, I'm going to pick a lighter shade. But honestly, when you're covering darkness like this under your eyes, it's best to use something that's similar to the darkness that you're covering. I'm liking that I can just tap it in. It doesn't feel like it just doesn't feel like anything really. Excited about this. Again, hydroxytyrosol based. This is going to be a very conditioning, It's volumizing and it's lengthening. So let's see. I've only seen this in videos and just in the tube. I've never used it. I do like the shape of the brush. It has a little bit of it. It goes concave a little bit in the middle there. It goes on a lot easier than I thought it would. I don't know why. I guess I thought it would be dry for some reason, but it's not. Wow, and it really separates very nicely. I'm just going to get that little excess off the tip. I just want to see what one coat does. So one coat to me is when you've just done one dip in the tube. Wow. Okay, I'm impressed. Mascara is a tough one. It really did thicken. And you can see my eyelashes naturally are very light. This is very easy to build up and it's not getting clumpy or anything. Look at how nice it separated. Okay, I'm really, I shouldn't be shocked because everything that Olive Tree People has put out, I'm in love with, but I have to say I'm a little bit shocked because mascara is a tough one. Use a little bit of this pink blush that I got. This one's called Strawberry Hill. I'm just going to add kind of a little bit in here to give me a little pop of pink. It's so easy to blend. It's really pretty. And I think I'll just take a little bit of this. I'm looking forward to the contour because I think I'll be using the contour a lot as eyeshadow too. Yep, I like it. I dig it. It feels amazing, but I just want to remind you that all of these products, all of these Olive Rose products are skincare based. This is the first in the world. There's not another one like it. You might have heard of skincare infused makeup. This is different. The base of this is hydroxytyrosol, which is the main ingredient in all of Olive Tree People's products. It is legit skincare. So every day that you're using this, you're just going to improve your skin even more. And this is such a great comparison because I don't have anything on this side and I just have the sheerest amount on this side. It doesn't look like I have makeup on, but look at how much more even my skin looks on the side. And it just has that really pretty glow. This is the coolest stuff. All right. Anyway, it's available for you to get now. You can order all of it now. We are experiencing a little bit of delay on shipping times just because everybody wants it. Get yours ordered now. I can't wait for you to try it. And as always, all Olive Tree People products have a 365-day money-back guarantee, happiness guarantee. So try it, fall in love with it, and get glowing skin while you're nourishing it.